name's Akki, and welcome to Akki Dreams. Akki Dreams. Come make art with Akki Dreams. Dream it, make it, and you can have it. Akki Dreams. Akki Dreams. Come make art with Akki Dreams. Today we're going to be making tulips that look real. I know, right? It's so exciting. For this, we need colored sheets of paper, skewer, glue stick, ruler, and scissors. For the tulip, we need a piece of square paper that's bright. And remember, this is for the flower. And we need a green paper for the leaves and the stem. First, we're going to be making the flower. To make the flower, fold the paper in half. And then open it and fold the paper in half the other way. Let's fold the square into a triangle. Open it and then fold it into a triangle the other way. Fold all four sides of the square to the center. Now we have a square. Now fold this square into a triangle. Fold this triangle into a smaller triangle like this. Now fold this triangle into a square. Like this. From this portion of the square, fold the sides to the center line. And you have to do the same on the other side. Fold this side so it looks plain, like this. And then fold it like this again on the other side. Fold a little bit of this and it should not be touching the midline. And you have to do it on both of the sides. At the pointy end, cut a little bit so the stem can go in. Now open the top very slowly and then put your finger inside and make it a little big and then fold the petals of the tulip. Finally, our flower is ready. Now we're going to be making the stem and leaves. For that, we need a green piece of construction paper. And you have to cut this green piece of construction paper into 3 strips, like this. 2 are for the leaves and 1's for the stem. Let's first make the stem. For that, take one of the strips and take your skewer and roll it up. How our stem looks. Level the portion at the top and then cut strips. For the leaves, take the piece of paper, the strip, and fold it in half. Cut a half leaf out. And then you have a leaf, right? If you unfold it And then you can curl it with the skewer. Like this. It's time to assemble the tulip! Let's stick the leaves to the stem. Finally, our tulip is ready. It looks real. You can use these tulips for decoration and you can give it to your dear ones. You can put them in a flower vase, like this. And you can put it in a bouquet. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.